Welcome back to Lexus Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2015 Lexus NX 200T F Sport Series 2 in the ultrasonic blue mica finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car. Some of the features do include LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, F-Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, park assist sensor switch, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, power liftgate, pre-collision system, center locking differential, heated steering wheel, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, heads-up display, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, a 10-speaker Lexus premium audio system, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, electronic parking brake, remote touchpad, QI compatible wireless smartphone charging, sunroof, black interior, great condition. And of course, comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.